Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS Config rules for compliance reporting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install AWS Config rules for compliance reporting, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Config service from the Services menu. If AWS Config is not already set up, click on Get Started. Select your desired AWS region from the top right corner of the console. Choose the resources you want AWS Config to monitor by specifying resource types. Click on Next to move to the settings for AWS Config. Configure the S3 bucket for AWS Config to store configuration snapshots and history. You can either create a new S3 bucket or select an existing one. Further, you need to enable AWS Config rules by checking the appropriate box. Next, click on Add Rule to input your compliance requirements. In the rule configuration, choose a managed rule that fits your compliance needs. Review the pre-filled settings for the managed rule, adjusting as necessary. After configuration, click Add Rule to finalize the setup. You can add multiple rules depending on your compliance requirements. Once all desired rules are added, review the configuration summary. Finally, click on Confirm to activate AWS Config with the installed rules. AWS Config will now start evaluating your resources according to the rules established. Monitoring and remediation strategies can be adjusted in the AWS Config dashboard as needed. Track compliance results through the AWS Config console to ensure ongoing adherence to standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.